Welcome back. Everybody, other than myself, proper refresh now. I never get an iced tea.
After
But I'm not call the name still, I just say I didn't get any iced tea. Never. Anyway, we have something special for the pancake lovers. All right, how about some coconut pancakes with sorrel syrup? And we're going to be using the Caribbean Dreams sorrel ginger tea. All right, I'm going to be using this to make a syrup. Terry's going to be using this to make a syrup for me while I'll be mixing up the pancakes
since
over
I'm
here.
the sorrel expert.
Sorrel expert, big up yourself. Now, I don't like prepackaged pancake mix. All right, it's too easy to do freshly made pancakes, and they're so much better. So I always do freshly made pancakes, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is right now.
I feel like you're stepping on my toes right now, but that's okay.
You-
I'm gonna watch you.
I'm
gonna
just not
watch
gonna be friends with you, but anyway. So over here, I'm gonna give you the recipe for like per cup of flour. All right, I'm doing a little more than that now, but per cup of flour. So for 1 cup of flour, you're going to go with 2 teaspoons baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You don't need to make this too sweet because you're gonna have syrup with your pancakes, right? Terry, I'm going to ask you to just whisk in some cornstarch.
Right.
All right. Traditionally, we'd put some sugar in this and boil it until it reduces and thickens. We don't really have the time for that right now, so we're gonna cheat a little bit. All right. So that's all the dry ingredients here.
And you have to add the cornstarch to
To a cold, right?
a cold liquid.
So all our dry ingredients here: salt, sugar, baking powder, flour. And when you're doing this, use all-purpose or baking flour. You don't want to use counter flour because that has more gluten and will result in a tougher pancake. All right.